watch where you step.
Sorry, Seigan.
Don't look at me. Finish setting up. We don't have a lot of time, you know.
I was almost finished, Seigan. I was just...
Then hurry up, stretch out, and warm up afterwards. You have to learn to focus. Our school is in a war with the Flying Tiger Clan. Sifu asked me to work with you to help you improve. I've seen how you've been struggling. And to save you face, I brought you here to practice so you wouldn't be embarrassed at school. Look at these hills. These are the hills where many warriors have died. So if you don't focus and concentrate, not only will you embarrass our school, but the spirits of those who shed their blood here. Understand?
Sorry, Seigan.
All right, let's see how you do with me.
But I don't dare.
I'm telling you to attack! But... Pathetic. Pathetic! You need to learn to relax. Observe your opponent's habits. And explode with a timing.
You're too good for me, Seigan. I'm not a professional like you.